Hello dear student, I am Bhakti Raut. This video is for 9th, 10th, Semi Marathi medium student. Today we are going to learn how to make exclamatory sentences. Let's see. Here are some sentences. Tells us feelings, emotions, admirations, etc. First, I am so happy. I am angry. What a great thing. Let's see. What is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence is used to express a sudden emotion, is used for fear, anger, anxiety, admiration, excitement, etc. Exclamatory introductions. Marks of exclamation. What or how. Exclamatory functions. The most common way of defining exclamatory sentence is by function, purpose. For this perspective, an exclamatory sentence usually ends with an exclamation point. It expresses strong emotions. Exclamatory form. To be an exclamatory sentence is begin with what or how. To be non-interrogative. For example, what? Structure of the sentence. What plus a or an plus adjective plus singular countable noun. For example, what a gorgeous dress. Second, what plus a or an plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb. Example, what a nice house you bought. Third structure, what plus adjective plus uncountable or plural noun. Example, what beautiful weather. Let's see next structure of statement. How. How plus adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb. For example, how interesting this film is. So, such. So plus adjective or adverb. The meal was so good. Such plus a or an plus adjective plus singular countable noun. Example, she is such a quiet girl. Second, such plus adjective plus countable or plural noun. Example, they are such kind people. Dear student, let's see how to make exclamatory sentence. For example, first, it is an excellent piece. In this statement, see here, we make two parts of this sentence. You make first part of this sentence till the verb it is, and the rest part is as it is. One more, if there is a or an in the sentence, you can begin this exclamatory sentence with what. Otherwise, if there is no a or an in the sentence, You can begin the statement with how. See here. What an excellent piece it is. Second statement. That is a mighty pretty ring. First parts we can make that is. The rest part is a mighty pretty ring. What a pretty ring it is. Third statement. The questions are very interesting. You make first part till the verb. The questions are. The rest part is very interesting. Our answer is beginning with how interesting the questions are. Here, very is extra impressive verb. This word you may cut it. How interesting the questions are. Fourth statement. I was very carefree. Two parts of our statement. I was. Other part. Very carefree. In this sentence, very is extra impressive word used here. You may remove it. Make our answer. How carefree I was. Read it properly. Dear student, I hope you might understood this video very well. Student, practice it. Thank you.